Is you okay? Is you? Good, because I want to know. Okay, guys, I'm just like freaking out now because it's just like weird looking people walking around here. Like, there's this rat that like just randomly like went across the road and wanted to like, touch my tire with its felt like little claws or whatnot. And we're in like this like ghetto grocery store, quality foods, and like there's just like these weird looking people walking around here. Like, they Ratchet. Like, you be seeing all these. See, look at her. Dragging her crying like she a zombie or something. Can you see her? She just, like, looking Ratchet. I don't know, because I'm really not holding this camera, but I'm kind of scared. Yeah, so. Over and out. Be walking Ratchet around here, I mean. Okay, thank God. I saw a normal looking person. Okay, over and out.